Hey there, hello and welcome to Constructing Dreams. Let's just quickly hit to the intro. So, this channel will all be about French language first. So, and yes, no. This will not be learn French in 1 week or 5 minutes or 10 days. What I will actually do is the way I was taught. So, every week I'll just pick up one topic and basically it's like a French grammar, like the French language. So I'll start with the grammar to sort of clarify the all those grammatical things, like you learn English the same way, like you learn tenses and things, verbs, tenses. So the same way I'll pick one topic each week and explain it to you all. Then also I'll be giving written notes, so those who want to go through the written notes can go check out my blog. Well, I'll just link everything down below. So yes, one topic each week, I'll do that, I'll explain that. Then on this channel I'll be talking about a lot of books. See, I am a really avid reader, and like reading is just a therapy for me, and it makes me feel really positive. And getting knowledge from any source is a really positive thing, so I'll be talking about books a lot. And then also positivity. So like for me, being positive is something, when you do things you love, when you feel happy while doing small things, like just some small kind things for others, or anything, or learning a new skill for that matter. So I'll be talking about positivity, then also about self-love, mental health, because these are the topics that really need to be talked about, and you should focus on these topics. So, and for me, like learning a new skill, like this language or anything, learning a new skill, it actually makes a person grow. You grow as a person when you learn something new. So whether it's like from life experiences, or learning a new skill, or learning anything for that matter, so that at that time you have to be really in a very good space of mind, a good head space. So for me, like knowledge and skills and learning is all interlinked with positivity. They all makes you really positive. And you grow as a person, I think. And from, yeah, and from also from reading books, I think a person grow emotionally a lot. So yes, this is it. And so yes, welcome aboard, and I'll be posting every Wednesdays and Fridays. And on Fridays I will be also talking about vocabulary, so I'll be choosing some French words and giving you the English meanings. So please join the journey. Thank you.